Good day, people. It's your boy BMHD from the FOREX&YOU Academy, guys. What a beautiful Sunday. I hope everyone had a relaxed weekend. Monday, we're back to it. But meanwhile, we're back with another episode, interesting episode of the weekly focused and review, guys. So, we're going to be analyzing just a few pairs and preparing for the week ahead. Like I did mention last week that we are going to be starting a new series. I just haven't had time to do those trade or daily trade ideas. But yeah, this will fall into Monday analysis, but as well as the weekly. We'll see just how everything moves. But I hope everyone is great, man. Without wasting any further time, us here right now, we have the dollar index, and it is starting to show signs of a trend reversal, right? Why am I saying that? Is because I'm not a trend trader or trend line person, but just drawing this brick wall from this 4H time frame, we can just see that it has been broken following that double top formation and the neckline being broken. So moving into it right here, we've got our first lower low, first lower high, and then second lower low. This could be possibly our second lower high. So we'll mark this at the retest level right here. Sorry about that. And we can expect price to reach these levels right here. As we can see, there's sort of a clear traffic, but of course you can always monitor trades when they get back to this area here of support. But we'll scale down to those low time frames. So let's just keep in mind that price has been pushing for a long period of time. We found this resistance, created this double top, broken the neckline, came back to retest at this current key level right here. Not current, but yeah, we have respected this key level, formed our lower high, and which formed our new lower low, and we're currently sitting here, which could be possibly our new lower high. And of course, after here, we expect the market to start pushing back down to these lows. So you do have your downtrend structure forming right now. So scaling down to an hourly time frame. Excuse the dog noise, guys. Okay, I think that's it. So scaling down, guys, you can start to. Okay, guys. So sorry for the pause. My dog was just making a lot of noise. So anyway, scaling down to a lower time frame, we can see that price has reacted from this retest. Okay, scaling down to a lower time frame, you can see that price did react to this retest level right here, and we're currently sitting at a support key level right here, which I'm gonna mark off. And let me just scale down one more time. Okay, perfect. So what we want to see happen here, going into the new week, we want to see dollar weakening, right? What I'd anticipate is for the market to continue pushing bearish, a break of this key level retest or whatever, mini support, whatever you want to call it, back down, and then would be looking to target these lows. And if we do break below, of course we do target this low right here. So currently I'm waiting for the market to break this level right here. I don't trade the dollar index. I just use it as my indicator, guys. I think you guys should know by now. But yeah, plan of action, want price to break this minor support or key level, retest, continuation back down. And now that we have that information, we have to see if really the dollar is going to weaken going into next week. And mind you, guys, I think it is NFP week going into next week, so just be careful. Okay, gold has been another tricky pair to trade. So we've just recently visited this resistance area right here, um but overall we can see that price has broken our brick wall, you know, however you want to put it. But yeah, price has broken our brick wall, and we are starting to form that bullish structure. Currently price is at the retest level, and we'll see how the market reacts from there. But for as long as we are holding this level, I think we're still good to look for buys. But personally, what I'd like to see going to next week is the market break this level right here at 76.285, so we can get a break, a retest, and a continuation back up. You know, that will indicate that dollar weakness, you know. So we'll see how that goes. And of course, if we break that high, we can just target maybe this low right here, you know. And that will be it for. It also makes sense on a daily perspective, you know, if we can start to break this lower high right here, price is just going to shift. And like they say, October is the bear killer. And looking at the past data on the chart, you know, we've just seen a lot of trend reversal, you know. September did its thing. It was bears were home, and likewise history did repeat itself. So going into October, we might just start to form those bullish moves, you know. So maybe what can happen is we can get the market to at least pull back right here, so they can form that first leg of the high low, and then maybe we can start breaking structure. So with this huge rejection, we might just have price pull back just a bit, you know. And if we do, we'll only get that double bottom situation, you know, because this is still valid, you know, like I did say, unless we break this level right here. But this level right here is still valid, which will give us that double bottom that we need if indeed price does come back, you know. But we'll see how everything goes going into the week ahead. I think I did mention that it is NFP, so we'll see. Same thing with the silver, but silver has broken structure, you know, and we still have the same level right here that we can also keep in mind for that double bottom. But we can also target these highs right here. But if we can scale down to a lower time frame, we can see that price is sort of trapped in this range currently. So what I'd like to see going into next week is price breaking this level right here. So we get a break, close above, retest, continuation back up. So that will be my plan of action. If not, then I'll just wait for price to come back and test this level right here and see if we can still get those buys. You know, this could be the whole week move coming into Wednesday or Thursday, and then maybe NFP can just switch things up. But I don't know, you know, I'm just saying, I haven't yet analyzed the data. But coming closer and closer to Friday, we'll just see how structure presents itself, you know. So yeah, that is it for silver. I don't have much as well. So we've just also broken this lower high that formed this lower low. So you're getting that trend reversal structure. So we'll see how that goes as well. GBP USD. It's also been tricky right here at this level right here, but I feel like I'll take it as a breakout and a break back in of this structure right here. You know, we had this immediate break and the break back in. So without wasting any further time, I think I'll mark off. No, I think I'm gonna just mark off this high right here, and then because price indeed is in a uptrend formation right now. Not sure if we'll get that pullback before we continue back up, but we'll see. If, of course, the dollar index starts off the week by just pushing bearish, you might just see the pound USD just going up to touch these highs right here. But if you can scale down to a lower time frame, since I did say that was a break in and break back out, but we can just be careful. Before I trade these buys, I'll just want to see the market just break above this level right here. Why am I using this level? Because this point right here in the market was a breakout and break back in, so it's invalid. It's like a pin bar or rejection, whatever you want to call it. So that's why I've been waiting for this break, that being a break, a retest, and a continuation back up, So a break of 1.1177 will just continue with those buys, and we'll see. But in case we do follow this head and shoulder pattern with a double top right here, where price can potentially come back to test right here, we'll just start taking those buys when the market reaches this point. But we'll see how everything plays out. It's just been tricky scenarios or market structures. But yeah, that is it. If ever we do sell, I believe we still do have this retest area right here that the price hasn't tested after this push. So it might just get that pullback and a continuation back up, following this brick wall, So somewhere here, yeah, that touch first. I don't know, those who use touches the first, second, third, whatever. But yeah, that is it for GBPUSD, and you'd pretty much assume for JPY as well. Pound yen would be the same. It's been given us same structures, but because with pound yen we've just broken the structures. Like I did say, this was a break back in and a break back out in a way. Usually it's a breakout and a break back in, but this one was a break back in and this was a break back out. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, you can see the next immediate candle just closed above this area right here in the market. So I don't like this for our chart, but let's scale down to an hourly time frame. Okay, so we can work with these levels right here. You can see the market reacted at this very key level, and what I'd like the market to do rather, going into next week, is start that breakout, retest, continuation back up. So I will be looking for the break of this level right here, 61.885. That's the break I'll be looking for going to next week. Like I did say, this was a breakout and a break back in, and right here we can see we had this level that was created going to this high, it came back, it was respected. So you can call it your double bottom. Bless me. You can call it your double bottom continuation, guys. So yeah, that will be it for this week, guys. So come back on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, where I possibly can, and we'll just analyze going to the next day, guys. Anyway, please do comment, share, like, and subscribe. Wow. Please do share, comment, like, and subscribe, guys. For the old viewers, I hope you enjoyed this content. For new viewers, I hope so too. And if you like it, please do hit that subscribe button just to keep the algorithm going, guys. More than anything, we love you guys, and out.